Skin the color of bark, clothes smelling like trees. Digging my earth, find my roots and weeds. My truth bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got clean, then no deed. Life is just that dark. Clothes smelling like trees. Digging my earth, find my roots and weeds. My truth bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got clean, then no deed. Life is just that dark. But life is just that bright, that when the sunset shines, I've seen the graffiti writes. I'm back tonight with a sack to light.
It's my first BMW 5 Series. Oh my god, I have a feeling that she's dying into my hands. She has so many errors, so many. Look at it. We have here brake error, we have here check engine, fuel error. Everything all together. Oh my god, bravo. And also air condition isn't working. This car has 338 kilometers mileage. Yes, kilometerage. And she's too old. Yes, she's already done with life. And you know what, even if she was in a good condition, it's my first emotions now, and I think I would not like this car even if she was in a best condition in the world. She's not comfortable, chairs are bad, interior is bad. The only one which is really good is the audio system. It's perfect, but other, no. I do not know why so many people are dreaming about this car. Just look at it. Car needs help. In my first video about Volkswagen Passat, I was speaking that most of drivers in the world are loving their cars and they are taking care of their cars. It's psychology of drivers, yes. And there is one problem. If your car is garbage, once in your life you will become tired of repairing it, and after car becomes a real trash. She's taking so many errors, so many problems because you are not giving money of repairing of it. And the same was with this car too. Owner told me that he's already tired of repairing it. He's already tired. It means really many things. Oh my god, why I have taken this car for rent? I paid money for this. I thought it would be good. I thought it would be perfect. I thought this is the legendary car. This is the ugly car with a bad quality. Just look at this steering wheel. Oh fuck it is. Oh my god. It's a tank's steering wheel. Oh, what it is. What it is here. It's ugly. I'm now driving and I'm thinking why I have done so big mistake. Why I have paid money for this. She's like okay, I know. When this car was new, she was bought by young man that was fucking her every fucking minute. After he destroyed this car, and another young man bought this car again, and after he was fucking her again and again and again. After another young man bought it and he was fucking her again, and today she's into my hands, and that's why she's so in a bad condition. Yes, maybe, but when people are dreaming about car, and this car was bought because of a dream, they are ready to take care about this car, if she's not breaking every time, if her problems can be solved, but it cannot be solved. You know, she's like a drug addict woman. You cannot help her. You cannot do anything with her. And if you will not leave such woman, you will be destroyed too. I'm new auto blogger and this is my 7th video, so do not forget to subscribe, like and write any comment you want. I will be thankful for that. It's already 5 days that I'm having this car, and I'm so lazy to record the video. I wasn't doing anything for these 5 days. I was driving it, yes, but but honestly, this car is not giving me any good emotions. I do not like anything here, and that's why I do not want to record it. I think this will be this small video about my hate about this car. She's really very slow. She has many problems. She's old. She's much more older than her age is. It's like when you are when there in the world exist two people. First, 25 years old boy, which is boy, and 25 years old man, which is already older than his age. By appearance, by nature and so on, the same is here. But when we are speaking about 25 years old man, we mean that he's wiser than first one, yes? First one. The same is not here. No, this car is old and having many health problems with health. Here it is. Now I want to test how fast she's taking 100 kilometers. Wait a minute. Where's the clock? Stopwatch is here. Ugh. She couldn't take 100 before this place. Other cars could do it. Even Hyundai Veloster when I was testing it. Hyundai Veloster with 1.6 motor is faster than this BMW. Okay, I will test the speed in another place. I hope you can hear the scratches. Yes, the voice of plastic, voice of everything. Chairs are already too old, very old. They are not beautiful. They are not comfortable. They are not. They are not comfortable in long roads and so on. Oh my god. Okay, let's test it here. 200 for 10 seconds now. Normal, not so bad, but faster was Toyota CHR, which I was testing. Faster was, as I remember, even Volkswagen Passat, which was much more cheaper than this car. And you know what? I'm speaking from the side that people are loving this car so much that they do not aren't objective and adequate while looking on this car, because she's not comfortable. The one good thing which she has is appearance. Yes, from outside this car is beautiful, very beautiful even today, but inside it's ugly. These round lines are ugly. This wood is ugly. The steering wheel is one of the most ugliest steering wheels I had ever seen in my life. And I would be subjective if I do not say, yes, I'm speaking very many bad things about this car, many. But here are some things what I really like. I like this mouse pad, which is working, not working now, but it's comfortable to play with it. Yes, here it is. I like, wait a minute, I'll say now. In my Lexus we have this feature. If you want to turning light when you are doing it, it's always going to the main place. Yes, and here is the same. Maybe Lexus stole it from BMW, I do not really know, but it's a really good feature. In many cars, when you are working with turning lights, they are always like that. They are left like that, and it's not beautiful when you are driving. But here it's really good. I like these buttons for the windows. For example, when I want to work with these buttons, I do not need to take my hand somewhere. I can rest my hand here, I can rest my legs here and work with windows with no problems. And I've never had such experience in other cars, never. And I think I will have nostalgia about this moment because it's really comfortable. Also, I like this line very much. I like the audio system, which is so good here. It was good. Audio system is very good here. It's better than in a BMW X1 in my previous test drive. You know what? Yes, it's good. I like how air condition is working. In a first experience I had first time I had bad experience and I thought that air condition is not working. It's working and it's very strong. She's not frozen like new cars are doing it, but it's good. You will not have problem here with here it is. But she's not giving the emotions that you are expecting from such car. She's not giving these emotions. No, she's not so good to adore it. Maybe because she's already old, but I don't think I would like this car even if she was not old, and even if she was young. So we have problem here with full tank. Now I hope you can see it's more than half here, yes, but it's stuck there now, and after in one moment full tank will so fast go to the minimum that I have a fear that I will stay on the road without fuel. We have problem with it. We have alert here, we have alert here, and here, and again service check engine here. Here are problems with brake pads and so on. It's speaking a lot about car's quality, really a lot about car's quality. What I also like inside this car is this small button of steering wheel position. It's very small, it's cute, it's beautiful, it's working good even today, and I've never had seen something like this. Yes, yeah, it's good to work with it. Here it is. I'm like a small child. I like it. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Now let's test which one is more comfortable for passengers. This is Hyundai Veloster, this is our BMW 530, and my Lexus IS. Let's start from Veloster. As I remember, for me, it was very hard to sit inside. I have no place for my head. It's so small for me. It's a hell to sit inside, but it's very comfortable in front. We have there a big place. Let's go there. I became tired here. Here it is, and now car is very comfortable for passenger, but this car has a really not good AC. But we have a good place for my hands. Now let's go to BMW. You know how good they are when they are opening these doors. Oh, we have a big amount of garbage here. I will not be taking the chairs in front. They are in ordinary position. Sitting here was very easy, and now I have a very big place for my head, much better than in Veloster. I have a normal place for legs, but I have a problem with breathing. And now the last, my Lexus, in which I know that one is not better than this BMW. And here it is. I have no place for sitting here now. Okay, that's it. BMW here. Goodbye.
Not a battle bag, but subliminal messages. Damn it, I'm the devil's bandit, the criminal exorcist. With some motherfuckers with guns, women with breasts. Sitting my pendulum swinging, bringing venom, effortless.